BOOZHOO Nij Anishinaabe Doog, and welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the kitchen edition. This is my kitchen. Isn't that right? That's not my kitchen, it's our kitchen. This is Bagheera. He's my kitty. And I was thinking the other day, some people are like, oh, I own a cat. And I don't think you really own a cat. I think, you'll have a cat like you have a kid or you have a roommate. But, they have a human. I don't really believe people own their cats. I think they just have, How is that fancy feast? What is it? Seafood feast and gravy? Oh, wow. You really know how to live. I'll edit some of this out. So then, what can I say about Gaja Gaints, cat. Let's not even make that the word of the day. Hey, Gaja Gaints. Hey, Bagheera. You're not even paying attention. Don't you know how many cats want to be on the internet? This is like a new idea. I mean, just think about it. We'll make a video and we'll put it on YouTube. It's never been done before. Just think, a cat on YouTube. No, come here, kitty, come here. Come here, sweetie. Come here, baby. Now where you going? Like, he's ruining this whole, he's ruining this whole, there you go. Hey. There's no way you're done with this. Nah, hikes. You can't just lick off the juice and then go, oh, I'm done. Yeah, make sure you drink a lot. I don't know. He makes me laugh. He never says a word, but he makes me laugh every day. I don't know. I was never a cat person until I was all grown up, and when my grandma passed away, I inherited her cat's kid. I mean, my grandma had two cats, Marcia, who lived on my grandma's lap, and then Marcia had a kid called Princess, and I got Princess, and then Princess passed away, and oh wow, my heart just broke. I didn't realize hikes. I mean, that's no joke. I didn't know that you could care about your pets like you do about people. And I was like, okay, forget that. I'm never going to get another cat. But then it occurred to me, it just occurred to me that Bagheera here, he needed a home. And, I heard somebody say, you don't honor those who pass away by never moving on. So, went down to the pound and I got this guy out of jail. Oh, I love you so much. I would take a bullet for you. Do you know that? Come here, look at me. Look at me. I love you. I love you. Alright. Should we get out of here? I'm gonna take a mid-morning nap. Alright, I'm gonna go. You have been watching. Hey, that's my thing. You've been watching BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and this is Bagheera. This is my... This is all messed up. I'll see you later.